India, Kazakhstan, Myanmar, Romania, and each will speak for 12 minutes. And the question answer session has been scrapped by the organizer, and the particular speaker will be asked to circulate by using the separate Google group which has been created by the organizer. For any question, any comment, there will be question answered directly by the separate speaker. By keeping in view the managerial issue, the question and answer have been curtailed from this present session plan. So to provide alternative to the participants and presenters to interact with each other, a Google group of for question answer and other discussion have been created, and everyone have been added in that Google group, and that has been already received through your email, registered email rather. And after all the presentation, the chair of the session will present summary of the session in form of his remarks, and finally the session will be concluded with a vote of thanks. With this short introduction, first of all, I would like to invite the faculty faculty for presentations, and the first of all, I would like to invite Dr. Hasrat Arjumand, who is a senior fellow, CISDL, and the founder president of Grassroots Institute Canada. He is comprehensive and critical critique of natural conservation policies of protected areas, and he is evaluation expert and doing advocacy for indigenous rights, dignity, and self-determination. He is trained in conducting training, teaching, writing, and publishing. His model has been supported by European Union, and also he did exemplary work which received UNESCO recognitions as well. As an activist, he organized 2017 community collectives institutions to liberate about 30,000 hectares of pasture land from the clutches of powerful elite. Professionally, he has 27 years of experience of teaching, training, field action, organization management, and by dealing with multidisciplinary area of environment, natural resources, governance, development, indigenous right. His work study exposure to South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Africa, Scandinavian, Europe, Russia, Siberia, and Canada. He published about 176 publications of varied types, and he is PhD in international studies, international biodiversity governance, PhD diploma in environmental law, his MPhil in natural resources management, MSc in environment sciences, MA in public administration, as well as EMBA and BSc honors in biosciences. Additionally, he got advanced practical training from UK, Sweden, Thailand, Russia, India, Netherlands, and USA. Today, we are privileged to welcome him in this program, and today he will be speaking on why mountain matters. Sir, you have